having healthy, loving routines. Create values for yourself. What do you want to be about? Start designing a life you really want. Figure out what's right for you, what's wrong for you. Make your own GPS. Design your own life. Eat better, eat loving. Take that sugar out of your body. It creates the hormonal imbalance and takes you out of whack. Pause in life. Take breaks. Create that self-healing routine of meditating, of doing yoga, or doing another sport. You don't have to be all spiritual to come back inside. Just connect with your body. Tennis, running, something where you use your body and start creating that self-awareness. Getting to know yourself again, monitoring your positive self-talk.